Alright guys, we are looking for a bakery here in Sapa. We want to grab us some snacks, some drinks and stuff, and then we're going to head on out into the outskirts, up into the forest and that. There's a little bit of dust here because they're doing construction, so I'm wearing the mask because of all the dust, especially when cars and trucks go by. They like kick it up pretty badly. Check out the view, guys. Fansipan behind those clouds. 3 k's up, but it's clouded up at the moment. And we're just going for a ride in the valley to check out some of the valley vibes. And we're riding around some of the ethnic minority areas. Limestone. Getting a little bit off-road here, but back there is limestone.
Local valleys.
Lingho, the name of a local palace.
Valleys.
Oh, valley, local valley. Lingho Valley. Ah, I see.
Yeah, we are going to the small.
Yeah, small road. Okay, so we'll take this road down there.
This land, we have land over there.
Okay, that's cool. There's Fansipan up here, right?
Over there.
But it's so clouded. It'd be a nice cool walk up there, man. Man, this valley is awesome.
A lot of resort view, Fansipan.
Ah, yeah, so they're building all the resorts up here on the hill.
View, only one view.
To get the view of Fansipan and the valley, all the valley. Is this a Hmong ethnic minority here? Hmong?
Hmong people.
Hmong
people.
Yeah.
And some local people.
Local people, yeah.
A lot of them.
Look at that valley, guys. Buffaloes. Check this out, guys. Look at that beautiful view. There's a little river down here. And look at this platform. Looks like it's bamboo. Is it safe? Holy moly, it's extended right over.
Wow. Swimming.
Okay. People swimming down here?
Yeah.
It's quite nice, bro. It's beautiful.
Check this view out. Absolutely amazing over here in Sapa.
It's actually quite nice, bro.
Look at this. Nice lake down there.
Got some locals here as well. Checking out the rest of the valley vibes.
Pretty amazing. What's up, Taz? You good?
Real good in the hood, bro. This is for awesome.
A lot of pin, the different color at the September. Only yellow color.
Yeah. Very nice. That is nice, man. Great.
Yeah.
This guy for cooking.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Strong little lad.
I used to do this when I was young.
I have to buy
In Fiji.
Huh?
I have to buy candy.
Candy?
Candy for kids.
Ah, yeah, exactly.
I should have done that. Look at this, man.
We find a shop, we get some candy.
Yeah.
Okay. For the kids. Check out that bridge. Look at that, guys. Wowzers. That's beautiful. It's a dam. Look at that dam. Look at that dam, man. This guy. This is beautiful, guys. Check out the vibes. Look at this bridge.
Only me now.
Mr. Nam,
Nobody.
our friend. And this dam. Must be a lot of fish in there. This is actually held up by these cables. It's actually swinging. This bridge swings, guys. Whoa. This bridge is swinging, guys. Swinging bridge. Got the bro on his motorbike. The view. Some of the local kids. Beautiful vibes here, guys. Beautiful vibes. And all these houses here are the actual ethnic minority groups, the Hmong, to name a few. But man, this is so beautiful. Beautiful. All right, let's continue. Nice valley vibes, guys. They're swimming down there, I think. I think we're gonna go down there. Check that out, guys. The wind down there on the rice paddies.
Wow.
That is awesome. Beautiful valley. Just riding through these ethnic minority villages here in the valley. Man, I'd love to actually come here and stay here for a few months actually and just chill out in these nature vibes. These guys just live so simple, but they appreciate what little things they have. They grow their own veggies and fruits. As you can see here, they're all organic. This is like their little township here in the valley. And the temperature here is really cool. Not so hot. Bit of developments going on, as you can see. This is their way of life, man. Adapting to the environment, the surroundings. Look at that, man. Look at that environment. Look at these rice paddies. Right, guys, we have made a pit stop in this little town. You know the name of this town? What is the name of the town?
What is the name? Is Tavan.
Tavan.
Valley.
Tavan Valley Town. So this is Tavan Valley Town, and there's a bridge over here and the stream down here. Not much water because we saw the dam upstream, but apparently we're going to have to go up the hill here and zigzag all the way up on our motorbikes. But it's been quite a beautiful ride, guys. So we're just going to grab some refreshments and have a little bit of lunch and chillax a little bit and enjoy some of the vibes around this area here in Sapa. All right, guys, we're at the restaurant. Check out these little statues here, and I want to show you guys this, which looks pretty cool, but at the same time maybe pretty dangerous. It's a bamboo bridge like the one in Indiana Jones. Remember Indiana Jones in the Temple of Doom? Check out this bridge, guys. Oh my gosh, look at that. It's just barely holding my weight. Probably be pretty strong, but damn, that's so cool. Check that out, guys. The boys are having some charcoal barbecue chicken and meat with our chef here. I'm not a meat eater. I'm just showing you guys this is how they do it, Vietnam styles. Charcoal chicken. And some of the skewers there with some of the meat on it. Guys, look at this pool here in the middle of this valley. Pool, and you've got these little bamboo type bungalows set up across over there. This is so cool. Slides and swings for the kids. Small little pool for the kids. And another pool here for the adults. Man, that's so cool. And look at that backdrop, man. And then the restaurant is here where we are chilling out. Alright guys, we are here riverside by this beautiful, awesome scenery. We got Mr. Nam. Hello, Mr. Nam.
Good morning.
Good morning. Hey, it's afternoon, dude. And we got Zach, the bro. Zach, he's on his drone. What's up, man?
Good, man. What's going on?
How's the vibes here, bro? What do you think?
The vibes are it's really dope. It's
Look at
really
this. Look at his view. Look at his
check this
view.
out. I'm just using my drone,
He's just panning around, man.
panning around, and it's really cool, guys. Look at it. Absolutely fantastic.
Awesome, bro. And up here, his drone is up here somewhere. But look at these river vibes, guys. And this is that bamboo bridge right here. And we've got the steel bridge we're going to go across. Then we're going to make our way up the hill. And we're going to head to some other areas around here. Man, this is super beautiful, guys. Beautiful scenery. I feel like going in here for a swim, man. Nice and deep. Looks like a meter or two deep just here. You can do bombs off here, man. Alright guys, so we have stopped here at a bit of a lookout. Look how beautiful that lookout is. You can hear the river and all the kids are down here playing in the river. Look at that vibe view. Let's come up here. Even better view, I think. Looks like they're just newly building this. Hope it's strong enough. All the corn here. Look at those vibes, guys. Isn't that beautiful? Spectacular. whole valley. This whole valley. All the way through. So Fancy Pan Mountain is right there. And then that way on that side is Sapa.